So when we busting open the package, Shogun box. I ain't gonna lie, I got this little bitch off Amazon. I ain't gonna lie. I just seen this shit. I figured I'd buy it. We gonna try this shit. This bitch come with a Pokemon card? What the fuck? Let me move over a little bit. This shit look. I ain't gonna lie. Let me grab my water, bro. I already know what's about to happen. Got the whole little box right here. This shit full of bullshit. I ain't gonna lie. Full of bullshit.
If you not ball hog, then die.
I didn't got. Oh! What the fuck? It is chips. I just got my cash. And dude. Yo, bro. Hey, this bitch going on YouTube too. Alright, I don't know what to start with. Yo, what the fuck are these? Bro, like little bean dicks. What the fuck? Yo, is that hair in there? Alright, pick a number. Hey, Renzo, I know you probably the only nigga in here right now. Pick a number like 1 between 3. Or no, 1 through 3. Damn, I'm slow as shit. 1 through 3, gang. We eating honey dicks for dinner. Chill, bro. 2? Alright. 1, 2, nigga. This is what we eating first. I don't know what the fuck this is. This little green shit. It don't got no label, no nothing. Hey. I pray this shit tastes good, man. Shit smell like mouthwash, bro. Is that a Martian testicle? No, that's an alien dick, bro. Twin, that little shit tastes like cardboard, nigga. Oh my god, bro. Yo, where the water at? I had to go spit that shit out. Yo, I'm not even trying to be disrespectful or nothing like that. Don't take offense to this if you Japanese or whatever. Whoever made this candy, nigga. That shit just nasty. I'm not gonna lie. That shit tastes like shit.
If you not ball hog, then die.
Alright. I'm not gonna lie. This look like it's gonna be good. I'm finna just start picking shit up and eating it. Little pink nigga with the yellow nigga. This shit is strong as fuck. Smell like cleaning supplies, bro. Should I eat this? Okay, so a soap bar, yeah. I think this shit gum, bro. This shit fake decent. I'll rate that last one big 0, nigga. I didn't even rate that shit, but big 0, nigga. That little green alien dick ball or whatever that shit was, nigga. Big 0, nigga. Big 0. This one right here. I'll get this like a 7. Like, I'm not picking it. It's not that good, but I'll, like, if a nigga handed it to me, I'll chew on this shit, nigga. Let me put this little bitch on shuffle. I just peed. This shit just playing through. It's lace. Chill out, bro. Chill out. Cause it's really a chance I could be getting laced right now. Yeah, dude. These two are going last. I'm not gonna lie. This little bean dick shit and then this gay Sour Patch Kid, they going last, game. Oh, they got Pokemon candy? Hold up. Okay, monkey dick next. Bro. I ain't gonna lie. Don't look at me real quick, bro. I gotta put this gun back in here, bro. This shit smack, bro. This shit kind of smack. I'm gonna have to order this later. I hope you wasn't watching, game. Monkey dick. If we eat monkey dick, gang. Oh no, this big bitch might be last. This is gonna be last. This is the finale. Cause I don't think I'm gonna like this shit at all. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I'm saving that for last. Alright, we got this next though. Nigga, you know damn well I'm black as shit. I don't know what that shit say. Oh, I ate those at the store. It's pretty good. What it tastes like? What it tastes like? Oh, this shit looks smack. It's like one of them extreme ropes, bro. Look. I'm eager to eat this, nigga. This shit better not disappoint. It smell like one too. Yo, they got extreme ropes in Japan, nigga. Let me find out.
The Slizzy Princess.
Hey, pause. Pause.
AKA Miss Backtalk, because I'm always talking back. I'm the princess. Word. You the princess too. Mwah.
Worry about me falling up. I don't know, it's like all they candy, bro, and all they sweets got like strong ass aftertaste, bro. Like, why is it like that? Or at least so far, bro. This shit good though when you first bite it. It tastes like extreme sour strips or whatever that shit is, the airhead strip. I'm not finishing this though. Respectfully. Alright. They don't want to go back in the package, so. Bro, I just peed. Oh. I'm gonna have to mix the crackers with all this sweet shit. Yo, that shit not finna hit the same, bro. I'm not gonna lie, that shit not finna hit. Alright, so next we got the this little shit. This shit look like some shit you put on a bracelet, bro. It don't look edible. Twin, what the fuck? What the fuck? This bitch is kind of decent. Crunchy as a bitch. I can't keep eating them though, cause I gotta save some room, you know. I don't know. This might be straight fent, nigga. I'm not gonna lie. This shit clear, and it's like water, like, bro. Like, this shit has no. Like, you can just bend this shit everywhere, bro. And it's clear, bro. Do I even eat these for real? This little shit right here got the potential to end this whole stream right now. GG. This little shit right here got the potential to end the whole stream right now. He got clear semen. Alright, bro. Alright, bro. Alright, bro. It got a little kid, a bunny, and a bear on it, bro. This can't be no crazy shit. Like, come on, bro. The packaging too simple, bro. I'm busting it open. This shit smell like liquor, nigga. You only live once, nigga. Where the bro? What the fuck? Yo! You cut you a platinum bitch, like how you find that? Make me feel so fucking stupid. Way on that. Girl, I can't. Sign back to the road, yeah. Twist I hit my phone, yeah. We stick to the code. You a demon, baby. Fuck what they say. Yo, this shit like a little. They don't even got a taste, nigga. It's just you chewing on clear shit, nigga. Like, what the fuck? Cool up there, bro. I don't really fuck with Jello. I'm really just eating shit, bro. Am I a fat nigga? Look at it. Lopping everywhere. No, literally, bro. That shit. I don't know if I was supposed to eat that, bro. Alright, we got these little. I don't know what the fuck this is. It's like little white little balls, bro. Or not even balls, little circles. Why do all that candy smell so strong, bro? Like, yo, I'm sorry, Japan. I want to visit and everything, bro. So, like, don't. If anybody from Japan see this shit, hey, Yakuza, all that type shit, bro, don't come for a nigga like me, you know. I'm a civ, you know. I'm a civilian. I'm just not fucking with the candy gang. And that's real shit. This shit tastes like straight dick. I ain't going. That shit tastes like straight dick. What the fuck? At Yakuza, alright, bro. Nigga trying to get me murked, bro. Watch out, bro. Watch out, bro. I'll throw this weak ass candy at them niggas. I bet you they won't come no more. They probably don't even eat this shit there, bro. What the fuck kind of. This shit just says Tyrannosaurus on it, bro. You can't even really see it. It just got a little ass T-Rex on it, bro. And it says Tyrannosaurus. Yo, this a T-Rex pill, Rhino pill, Junior. Hey, we popping a Rhino pill. Where the bro? We popping a Rhino pill on stream, nigga. Yo, that's the best thing yet. Yo, I'm condoning these, nigga. T-Rex Rhino pills, you got it, bro. You got it, bro. You got it. You got it, bro.
Looking at you now, I see you ain't get rid of. Looking at you now, I see you ain't get rid of nothing. Where you get the jeans from? Who sold the buttons? Cause that shit still popping out.
Yo, stomach finna be grumbling in a few. Hey, chill on me, bro. T-Rex Rhino pill, bro. Hey, you wishing that on me though, boy. Take that back, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Cause I already sense it, bro. After I eat these motherfuckers. And I still gotta put Until Dawn, so. You know, like, I don't know. We gonna skip this one because these basically the same shit. Okay, Poe Ricky? Oh. Gonna run through this little motherfucker real quick. These look like they might be good. I'm not gonna lie, these look like some good shit. Ooh, they smell decent. Hold on. Little mini bread dicks. Hold on. Hold on. Yo, that shit got flavor. I'm not gonna lie, this shit good. It tastes like ramen noodles to an extent, bro. Like it tastes like ramen noodles, but like a little breadstick, bro. Like this shit kind of smack. I'm gonna put this one over here. One I fuck with. And then we gonna skip this one too. It got a little pteranodon on it, nigga. That's just like the T-Rex sex pill, you know. So we gonna keep that over here. I don't think I should eat this, bro. This is the one where I know I've been saying that, but I really don't think I should eat this, bro. And the packaging don't got no labels, none of the sort on it. And it's like crumbs all in the back, bro. Black crumbs. I don't know, twin. But you know, this VVS, nigga. We risk this for the biscuit, nigga.
Shit going too crazy. I lost my breath.
Yo, it smelled dust.
Let's go. This shit is too crazy.
It got hair on it. It got hair on it. It got hair on it, twin. I'm not eating it. 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 Yo, this one might be good. I know I've been saying that, but Choco cream, nigga. Choco cream bourbon, like, come on, that gotta be good, twin. That gotta be good. I'm not gonna lie, this Uzi freaky as hell in my ear. I just do someone. It's on these little strip apart. This shit smell like sex, nigga. I ain't gonna lie, this shit smell like sex, nigga. I'm stressing for my life on this toilet, BRB. Alright, bet, bro. I'm finna be just like you, twin. This is the best one yet. I know, bro. Dead ass. I know I keep saying it, but dead ass. I got no choice but to finish this one. I got no choice. I dead ass got no choice. It tastes like Pocky, but like reverse though. Like I don't know. This shit smack though. Bro, it's another one of them water ones, bro. I'm not eating it. I'm skipping them water ones, bro. Them water bending ass snacks, bro. I'm not eating them shits. Nah, if you know me in real life or like anything like that, you know I fuck with the Pokemon, nigga. Like, come on, nigga. That's the OG, nigga. So we got Pikachu. I got a big ass Gengar on my bed, bro. We got the Pokemon candy though. This bitch better smack. They got Pokemon on the front, bro. Don't got no choice. Oh, it's another gum. We got to hold off on it, bro. It's another gum, bro. Milk cream sandwich crackers. Yo, this is the most hood fucking snack trying haul ever, bro. This shit got no structure to it. I just whipped out the table and I started eating, nigga. Oh! Oh! Yo, this shit stink. I don't think I'm gonna like this, bro. But I'm doing this for y'all. I'm doing this for y'all. Damn, I forgot to rate up. We gonna start rating from here on out. That last little like fake Pocky shit I tried though, that's the first 10, nigga. I'm not gonna lie, that bitch was a 10. I can eat that all day, nigga. This little shit right here though, it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be, but it's still not good, nigga. It's still not good. I'll give it like a 5, bro. Cheeseac. They got the little cat on the front with the cheese dick. I don't know, twin. This shit might taste like shit. Oh! 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 I'm not eating that. It smells like moldy cheese, gang. For the clip though, Am I right? Yo, it smells like an old ass Cheeto, bro. Like,
She wanna owe me, but I don't know that too. Things really be blind, and I don't know that fool. I just can't hit a piece side, then I start up on somebody get these dirty bitches some water. No, I cannot help but them killers, they stubborn. You bitches are big mad. You bitches are big mad.
hey, this is why you always try shit before you talk shit. I'm not gonna lie, this is why you always try shit before you talk shit. This shit was decent. I'd say that's better than half of the shit we tried so far. I'm not gonna lie, that shit was decent. That shit was decent. I give it like a 6.5. I ain't gonna lie. Now would I pick that ever? No, nigga, I would never pick that out, but it was decent though. Now this right here, I think this is like a Coca-Cola type candy. It got like pop in the back. Or soda, like some of you niggas might say. I ain't gonna lie, soda. So we gonna see the this bitch smells strong. Why does everything smell like relatively the same besides the cheesy shit? Oh, it's just a big ass thing of, bro. Why is half of this shit gum, bro? Like, bro, it's dead ass half gum. I probably could have got a better box, so half of this shit is gum, bro. Now we got this little pink shit. Now they got pink packages, so it gotta be good, right? Like, pink, that's one of my favorite colors, gang. It gotta be good. I ain't gonna lie, it smell official. It look official too. It got like pink filling on the inside, bro. I don't know if y'all can't really see it, but it got pink filling on the inside, bro. They ain't God for food, nigga. I ain't gonna lie. That shit tastes like overload of fucking joy, nigga. I'm not gonna lie. I'm saving this little motherfucker for later. Put this bitch in this corner, make sure I eat that motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, let me show you. It don't really matter. It's in black wrapping though, so I don't know too much about this one. Oh yeah, this one is another 10. So we got 2 10s so far. I'm surprised. I didn't think I was gonna like any of this shit. I'm gonna keep it a buck. But we got 2 10s so far. Whoa. Shit look like seaweed, nigga. Shit, that look like seaweed, bro. I'm gonna have to put it in my mouth. Pause. Pause. ain't even like it's that nasty. The way I just spit it out was kind of OD, but it's like a nasty version of butterscotch, nigga. Like that shit just tasted nasty, bro. So yeah, after this video, I'm throwing that shit away, nigga. Well, not video, the stream, nigga. Whoa. So that's how balls taste. Alright, bro. That shit tastes. I ain't like. That might be how dicks taste, gang. But yeah, we gonna scroll past like I ain't even just say that. I gotta make this shit in a mug, bro. I literally have to make this shit, so I'm not eating this right now. This is getting skipped, and I'm not eating this gel shit. What's some question marks for, gang? Ain't nothing to question, bro. And we got all this gum, bro. Why do they keep giving me gum, bro? Alright, then we got Pandero. This shit got potential. I'm not gonna lie, this shit got potential. Let's bust this little bitch open, though. Damn, it's all broken up. Hold up, 1 AM on. Yo, Japan, all your candy smell nasty. Besides this pink shit that I had, and them little chocolate shit, all this shit stinks like shit. I'm gonna be honest with you, all this shit stinks like shit. When I come there, I better have some hot shit though. Damn near just spit that shit out. Damn near just spit that shit out. Alright, I've been anticipating this one. This shit better be good. This shit got a cool ass label. I ain't gonna lie. You got the little chameleon on there. You look like a real ass nigga, bro. It better be some real ass food in this bitch. It better be some real ass food in this motherfucker. Nigga, it's a little black ball. What the fuck? Nigga, did DC the Don just come on my shit? In 2024? You nuts, nigga? Bro, it's like they only got like 3 flavors, bro. That tasted just like that little nasty ass little black shit I just ate, bro. I'm good, bro. Just cash over there, over there. French Papiro. Alright, this song kind of loud though. We gotta skip these. I ain't gonna lie. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I see what this talking about though.
I get mad zooted. I got this bad thing I recruited. My passion is a movie.
Bro, my bitch, why can't I open the package?
I stay on my Cyrus everywhere I go, I'm screwed up. I know my Texas niggas got my back and that's for sure though. Sipping on Easter pain like a tank rain. We ain't never gonna get a spark life. I know them boys say they can't tell the money over there, baby. Trust me, these niggas not like us.
She like a boo.
When she fell for me, I gave her realness and that's all she gon' get from me. On the fast,
Shit like a butthole.
I just did a dose of Percocets with some strippers. I just did a dose of Percocets with some strippers. I just pour this lean in my cup like it's liquor. I just need a whole lot of drugs in my system. I just try acid for the first time, I feel good. Treasure brain, misery, codeine in my
This shit tastes like a butthole too, nigga. I ain't gonna lie.
swerving like a hippie. Moving with the dopers and pushers. In the rover, ducking undercover, hugging the interstate. Pumping a couple.
Shit tastes like nail polish, gang.
Got a chain hanging over me. God watching over me. All my angels watch over me. I bag it like groceries. Keep some cash flowing over me. Got some money all in my hand and I stack.
Y'all probably look disrespectful as fuck right now, disrespecting their whole culture. But this shit just tastes like dick, gang. I can't lie to nobody. Like, this shit really just tastes like shit.
I talk for them niggas, they feel this shit out and build.
Ooh, this one got potential though. It's the red version of the pink one I was fucking with. The red version though. This one got potential. I gave the pink one a 10, so this bitch better be good. I've been fucking with this brand. Come on. Like, damn, can I even get the package open, nigga?
I just try acid for the first time, I feel good.
It's like a white version of the pink one. Let's see what it's talking about though.
I just try acid for the first time, I feel good.
Kush smoke in my lungs. Tattoos on my neck and on my arms. I can tell by the way she look. She wants some.
Whatever brand this is, bro. I need a sponsor, gang. You niggas be snapping. M shit tastes like sex, nigga. I don't know if this is fish or not, bro. I guess little strips of white shit, bro. You finna see. Hopefully it's not Joe over. Yo, I just knocked over mad shit. I don't give a fuck though. That shit's, yo, no, 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 no. I'm not eating this. Nigga, you can't give me no amount of money to eat this shit probably either, nigga. I'm not gonna lie. Like, yo, this shit dead ass smell like what I feed my turtles, nigga. Like, this shit smell like what you feed the turtles, nigga. Why would I eat this? So what happened here? Yo, my hairline just look crazy. It look like I don't got one. But this shit smell like straight dirty pussy, nigga. I'm not gonna lie. Dirty pussy, nigga. That's what that shit smelled like, nigga. I'm not eating this shit. This shit is actual fish, bro. Like, it has a fish on the front. I thought it was like cool packaging. I was like, oh, it might taste like fish, but what are the chances that they're gonna make a fish fucking candy? Oh, you can't put it past them, bro. You can't put it past them, bro. They're making anything, bro. Like, this shit all tastes like dick down there, nigga. It's only like 3 things that are good, bro. Now I gotta pick all this bullshit up, bro. Don't judge the book by its cover. Are you crazy? Are you just off the smell alone, bro? If I eat this, this whole stream will end. This whole stream will end. This whole stream will end, bro. Whoa! I gotta calm down. I gotta calm down. That's a sign. I gotta calm down. Whole knuckles just fell, bro. Damn, what the fuck? Yo, it's too much shit going on, bro. It's too much shit going on. It's too much shit going on, bro. Did y'all just hear that, bro? Got niggas letting off fucking shots and shit, bro. Like, what's going on, bro? Way too much shit, bro. Way too much shit, bro. Like, yo.
Expensive tasting women. Ain't had no pot to piss in.
OD.
My kitchen full of dish.
Like, I ain't seen this Yankee in a minute, bro.
Yo, heroin addiction. Trigger
Hey, yo.
itching. Fuck her rent to
Pause, boy.
that murder business. Little timid, got that semi. I ain't kidding. Hide your kittens. Hit your children's with that Smith. A bunch of ignorant little niggas. Hard-headed, never listen. Purple sipping.
Damn, Spiderweb just got sick.
It's myth. A bunch of hypocritic
Long live the web.
no religion. I seen the clothes was missing. Catch you slipping, then it's
Yeah, it might be Joe over for the Spiderweb. I ain't gonna lie.
my ghetto was ambition for my binges and my Bentley and them bitches. Now I get on the road to riches. A diamond rings, a designer jeans, soaking on that biscuit till I'm no longer existing. I wonder
It might be
if they
Joe
miss
over.
me.
I'm gonna
As
try to
long
fix
as
it
I
real
make
quick though.
history, now my soul
This
is
getting cut out the
filling.
vid.
Tell a reaper come
Niggas on stream gotta watch me do this lame ass shit though. I'm not gonna fuck all that shit. That shit'll get fixed after, bro. Fuck all this shit. Fuck all this shit.
riding through your city like that motherfucker mine.
We still gotta finish some of these candies.
Rob a motherfucker blind. License plate say wipe me down. Car from 1989. But a nigga sit so pretty.
Imagine it goes just come in your room, just picks up everything. Nigga, why would I manifest that, bro? See, you bugging, boy. Make some mess. Yeah, I see this. Imagine I come in your room and make a mess, nigga. Oh, yeah, I ain't even show y'all. We got the marshmallow dick. See what this motherfucker talking about? Oh, it smell good though. It smell good though. Oh, you can't really make a marshmallow nasty though, can you? It tastes like a marshmallow, bro. Real shit just tastes like a marshmallow. These little motherfuckers, I'm never eating these, bro. If y'all want me to eat these, nigga, we gotta hit that 150 goal. I'm not gonna lie, we gotta hit that 150 followers goal. If you want me to eat these weak ass shits, I ain't gonna lie. That'd be the only way I ever do some shit like that. At least try it in the stream. Nah, I'm good, big bro. I'm good. You just want me to throw up, huh, nigga? I'm gonna need your life savings for that, big bro. Alright, we getting to the weird shit. We're getting to the weird shit. Because the fish shit, that was what made me tip everything over. Now we got these little bean dicks. Mini pack too. So mini bean dick pack. Yo. My nigga, are these mealworms, nigga? My nigga, are these mealworms, nigga? Come on, bro. Seabass, I'm done listening to you. I'm done listening to you, Seabass. That don't judge a book by its cover shit has never been true every time someone said it, bro. Every time someone said it to me, it's never been true, bro. That shit just tasted like straight ass, nigga. I'm not gonna lie. Straight ass. Like, I could've just avoided some ass, bro. If I just didn't eat that shit. Just don't think about it, bro. Nigga, I'm supposed to be having fun. He's supposed to be good, bro. I thought this shit was gonna be good, like decent at least, bro. The only two these things we got was this shit. Alright, bro. We got this fake Sour Patch Kid. Like, come on, bro. Bro, I tried grasshopper with chili powder. Most delicious thing I ever tried. That sound like a you thing, bro. I know myself, bro. Nigga like me, I'm not eating a grasshopper with no chili powder, nigga. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm good. Like, yo, what even is this, bro? The Mexican food and other countries' food. I get, like, I'm not disrespecting that shit. It's just not for me, gang. Like, this shit tastes like ass to me. This might be someone's favorite food, but to me, nigga, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, let's get this out the way, bro. Why is my teeth sinking into it, bro? Bro, it's getting stuck in my mouth, bro. That is the worst thing of the fucking night, nigga. Besides this fish shit, I didn't eat the fish shit, though. That is the worst tasting thing of the night, bro. And you seen I had to get up and go spit the other shit up. So what does that tell you, bro? What does that tell you, nigga? The final one. The big boy. Renzo was saying this shit tasted good, so his ass better not be lying. I look like a hating ass nigga right now. I know I do too. I look like a hating ass nigga, bro. But it's just me being honest, bro. I gave the shit I fuck with. I gave it props, nigga. I was giving out 10s and everything. So you can't say I was just being a hating ass nigga the whole time, bro. Okay, this shit big as shit. It come with a tray? Okay, good presentation. I give him a 10 out of 10 on presentation. Now we get to the taste, though. .5. 8.5. I'm finishing this too. Not right now, but I'm gonna finish it later. 8.5. Alright. That's pretty much everything, nigga. I'm not gonna lie. That is pretty much everything that we got. So we can turn off the music now. Overall, as a whole, this whole experience I just had, nigga. Like everything I just ate all together. I give it like a 6. Cause most of that shit was ass, nigga. I'm gonna keep it a buck. But the things that were good, they were super good, bro. Like they were super good, bro. Super good. But the shit that was ass was ass. So yeah. 6 out of 10 overall experience. Probably will never try again. At least not that box. Maybe we'll try a different box. Or maybe a different culture's candy too. We could do that. Yeah, we could do that. But yeah. We got off the Japanese candy till I go there.